What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We're here with some crazy news about a Tesla Model 3 solar charging kit. Now, this isn't something that Tesla's doing. We already heard Elon Musk speak about solar panels and solar charging for the car, but we have some information from autoevolution.com about their solar charging kit for the Tesla Model 3 and possibly the Cybertruck. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It definitely helps the channel out. So we are on autoevolution.com, and the first headline that you see is Tesla Model 3 solar charging kit. They have a couple pictures here, so we're going to click on them so you can see the concept that they're kind of constructing. This is just concept. This is not actually out or actually made yet, but this is kind of what they're thinking. So if you have a Tesla, you already know it comes with that canopy roof, all glass. So they're basically essentially saying they're going to replace that and put solar panels on the top of it, and also they will have this solar charging kit that can fit in the trunk. So from the grid look of it, it should be foldable that fits in your trunk. So you have other pictures here. It shows how it actually works. So it will snap onto your roof. So it won't actually replace the roof, it will snap onto it. And it also comes with other devices as well, a stackable flex panel and a 6 kilowatt inverter battery. So also, it looks like they grabbed this picture from the Tesla official website and put the solar roof on top of it. And as you can see, if you look a little closer, you can see where it's actually snapping onto the roof. And here's a look from the back of what it will look like, and there you have another picture as well. So if we look further into this article, you can see that the roof mounted flex panels offer 400 watts and the stackable flex panels are rated at 200 watts each. One thing to keep in mind, if you do decide to get this kit, if it actually becomes practical for Tesla owners to buy this packet, you need to realize that this isn't going to be the lightest of hardware, so you would have to sit this in your car, which will drag your car down a little bit, so your normal range you might get will be reduced. And how significant that will be, I'm not sure, because this isn't technically practical yet. So if you scroll further down into the article, the actual owner of these solar kits made a statement saying our solar charging kits can end range anxiety by providing up to 150 miles of range over 2 days. So essentially, if it does reduce your range in your vehicle because it's dragging a little bit because there's more equipment inside, whenever you stop to charge, it will give you about 150 miles of range. So that's going to be the video, you guys. Let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. I'm very interested on what the community thinks about solar panels being added to the Tesla. You figure with electric vehicles, solar energy would come in sometime down the road, but this is an alternative that Auto Evolution is offering. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.